Alright, what's up you guys? My name's Andrew. Welcome back to my vlog. Today we're gonna go hiking. I can't remember exactly what this hike trail is called, but I'm gonna let you guys know. We're here with Stacy. Stacy's a camera girl. And I got my wife here, Melissa.
Wearing our masks like everyone should.
We're not sponsoring masks today, okay?
We're not sponsoring masks, but we're sponsoring life.
Life.
We're sponsoring freedom.
Later on in the video, I'm gonna give you guys some DJI views. I'll probably get an aerial view of the whole hiking trail, and then have it track us while we're walking.
It's already a hike to get to the hike.
I'm already out of breath.
There's the car. Oh wait, did you guys start your timers?
Yeah, oh, wait, how do you say? Is there like a hiking?
Yeah, there is.
Oh, there really
is?
I
put walking.
We put walking.
There's a hiking one. Oh, outdoor walk maybe?
Yeah, that's the one I did.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's the one I did too.
Alright, I'm gonna do mine.
Wait, I can't even read. Marvin Brandt? No, what? I need a English teacher to help me out here. How do you pronounce the last name? Marvin
Broad? I don't know.
Broad?
Who knows?
Mulholland Gate Park? Oh, it is Santa Monica Mountains. Because when I was researching it, I thought it kept shooting me towards Santa Monica, and I was like, it's not in Santa Monica. That weird.
That weird.
So where are the hiking trails do you guys go to? This one?
Comment down below what hiking trails you go to.
For reals. How many? There's like a good couple here. There's different paths.
One that has shade, please.
I'll probably be giving you guys more hiking trails. Just wanted to test it out, see how everything goes, and then we'll probably go to Switz Falls next. And then from there we'll be looking for some new ones. Oh damn, I can't even talk.
We weren't even there yet.
No, it's because the altitude's high.
This is where you can come walk your bitches. So I brought both of mine. Just 2 of them today. 2 at a time. That's today's magical number 2. See, it's on Andrew's shirt. Melly, you got number 2 on you by any chance?
I don't know.
I got 2 batteries in my pocket. I swear to God, if this thing says I have to update it, I'm gonna cry.
Oh, don't jinx it.
No, but it's okay. Imagine I forgot my phone.
Oh my God, Andrew. Imagine, imagine, imagine. Bye.
Follow you up the hike?
I'm gonna have it follow me up the hike. Alright, so we're gonna have it on tracking mode now. It's gonna follow us.
All right.
Is this the part that Louis gonna take?
No, you'll see right now. Calling out my boy Louis. Woo! Turn around, Andrew.
Andrew, turn around.
Hold this.
Thumbnail.
Oh, I'm so scared.
Okay.
Take a look how I have it, dude. You're gonna go, start going around.
I thought that was it over there. Is that your drone?
Oh shit.
Ah!
I got scared, I thought it was.
So we've came before, but we've gone that way. Now we're trying this trail. Whew.
gonna go back to land all over.
Once again, if you hear heavy breathing, just go ahead and mute the sound. Already a good sign. How many dragonflies have we seen already?
I don't know, but there's
A bunch. Yeah, bring it close. I want to feel the air. Yeah. Oh, that feels good. It's like a fan. This is how it feels. That's all the drone. Thumbnail. Thumbnail. Ah! Follow the hawk.
Something with yourself.
Wow, you feel the air. Look at it, moving the plants.
Okay, ready? 3, 2.
It's so far.
Oh no, bring it back, dude. That's scary.
I know.
It's like your kid, you don't want them to go too far away. Dude, do you feel the
And this hike is really good.
Huh?
I really like this hike.
I know, it's good, huh?
It's a really good hike. You know, even
Good
for,
vibes.
Even for COVID, it's not packed.
Yeah.
Like it's good for.
Well, because it's new, no one wants to come when it's like the hottest.
But it's not even hot.
No, but this is usually the hottest time of the day.
Or Hispanics, I guess we have better
Yeah. Look at this
Better.
brown skin.
tolerance.
To be burnt.
Well, now I'm purple because I'm burned.
So I want to tell my viewers that I apologize for not posting consistently right now since of COVID. My job needs me a lot, so I'm not. And then when I come home, I'm very, I guess, mentally exhausted. I can't go into detail what I do, but yeah, I'm sorry, you guys. But I've been trying to be. I'm gonna try to post consistently right now. These past 2 days, I posted. No, the past 3 days, I already posted 2 videos. Make sure you guys check that out as well. This one should be going on today as we are speaking on that.
And he's doing a challenge.
Oh yeah, you guys watch out for new content too. We actually made a game up. It's like beer pong. We go to the park, we try to get the ball in the cup,
Exercise dice.
and then if you make it, instead of taking a shot, we throw an exercise dice, and whatever the dice says to do, you got to do. So tired. I'm tired. No, but it's not tiring.
No, it's not.
I
It's relaxing.
thought I would be out of breath. I thought I'd be like, oh, I want to go home. Like, I'm not even thirsty.
Yeah.
Right, baby? I'm not thirsty. She's like, better not.
Is that really?
No, but it's good. It's a good relaxing hike. I would encourage you guys to come with your family. You know,
Wear a
obviously no groups of 10s, no mask, with mask. But yeah.
Well, usually we wear the mask, and if you walk by someone, I mean, you could rest, and if you walk by someone, you have to put it back up.
Yeah. I mean, we'll probably not be done within the next like 4 hours. We'll probably be camping out here for tonight.
Oh no. No, child.
I'm gonna have my wife collect some sticks and stones. I'll start the fire, and then Stacy's gonna start the shelter. And then we'll probably be eating
Rabbits and lizards?
Some rabbits and lizards. Keep the
Rattlesnakes?
Oh, rattlesnakes! No, I'm allergic to rattlesnakes.
This guy.
I'm scared.
I'm scared. I'm gonna try to record them literally walking sideways.
Stacy.
Still gotta run to the car.
Special message to everyone: if we can hike in this California heat for over an hour with our masks on, y'all could wear it at a grocery store, right, Melly?
Or anywhere.
Or anywhere else.
I think I caught it.
Skipping my music lady.
Your music disconnected from your headphones.
It's not that hard. It's hot out here. We should be used to it by
Oh,
now.
let me get this view. Look. Get this view, Stacy.
I am getting the view.